Hello everyone, in this video, we will see how to use Debrid with Stremio. Stremio is a versatile video content aggregator that serves as a centralized platform for organizing and watching various types of media. Both torrential and real Debrid are essential tools for improving the streaming experience on Stremio. Torrential is an add-on that provides streaming links from different torrent providers. Real Debrid is a premium unrestricted downloader that enables direct streaming links from high-speed servers. Real Debrid is a premium service that enhances your streaming experience on Stremio by providing high-quality streaming sources. To get started, you will need to subscribe to Real Debrid. Visit the Real Debrid website and sign up for an account. Choose a package that suits your streaming needs from the premium offer section. Complete the payment process and activate your subscription. Once you have successfully subscribed to Real Debrid, you are ready to integrate with Stremio. To integrate Real Debrid with Stremio, you will need to obtain the Real Debrid API key. After subscribing to Real Debrid, go to their official website. Navigate to the API key page. Copy the API provided. Now that you have it, proceed with the integration process in Stremio. Open Stremio on your device. Click on the settings icon at the top right. Select add-ons from the drop-down. Scroll down and find Torrential in the list. Click on Torrential to open its settings. Under the Real Debrid API key, paste the API key you obtained from the Real Debrid website. Click Save to apply the changes. You have successfully set up Real Debrid with Stremio. This integration will enhance your streaming experience by providing you with high-quality streaming sources through Real Debrid. Once you have completed the setup of Stremio with Torrential and Real Debrid, it is important to make sure that everything is working properly. Testing the setup will ensure that Stremio is successfully streaming content through Torrential and Real. Debrid gives you access to high-quality streaming sources. Here is how to test the setup by streaming a movie or TV show. Open Stremio on your device. Navigate to the Discover section within the Stremio interface. Choose a movie or TV show that you want to stream. Click on the selected movie or TV show to view its details. Look for the list of available streams for the chosen content. Check if there is an option labeled Torrential-Quality among the available streams. Select the RB plus Torrential Quality option. By following these steps, you should be able to start streaming your chosen movie or TV show through Torrential and Real Debrid on Stremio. If you found this video helpful, you can thank me with a like and subscribe to the channel. See you in another video.